What is spalling concrete? Spalling concrete occurs when moisture enters reinforced concrete, causing a buildup of corrosion products or rust on the metal rebar. Over time, rust particles move towards the surface, causing the concrete to bulge and crack. In advanced cases, chunks of concrete can break away and fall, endangering residents and passers-by. Introducing Nippon Paint's Spalling Concrete Repair and Preventive Treatment Solution. It integrates 3 complementary products which work together for optimal results. They are Nippon Corrosion Resistant Solution, Nippon Concrete Metal Bonding Agent, and Nippon Concrete Permeating Solution. Before applying the solution, it's important to prepare the worksite. First, you need to protect the walls and flooring with protective film. Next, remove the existing paint to expose the concrete. And check for loose and spalling concrete. Now, you're ready to repair the spalling concrete. First, you need to remove all loose concrete and loose rust on the exposed rebars with a wire brush. Now it's time to apply Nippon Corrosion Resistant Solution. Be sure to shake well. And apply Nippon Corrosion Resistant Solution to the exposed rebars. Allow 1 hour to dry. Next, apply Nippon Concrete Permeating Solution to the spalled concrete areas and allow 2 hours to dry. Now clean the spalled concrete surface with distilled water. Mix the Nippon Concrete Metal Bonding Agent at a ratio of 1 part powder to 1 part liquid. Apply 2 to 3 coats of the mixed Nippon Concrete Metal Bonding Agent to ensure strong adhesion. Allow 30 minutes to cure. Next, apply patching mortar and leave to cure. The spalled concrete has now been repaired. After repairing the spalled concrete, we strongly recommend the application of a preventive treatment to the entire ceiling. Start by applying Nippon Concrete Permeating Solution to the entire concrete surface, including the patched and repaired areas, and leave overnight to cure. Next, clean the entire ceiling with distilled water. Then apply a coat of Nippon Concrete Metal Bonding Agent to the entire ceiling and leave to cure. Now apply the skin coat. And finally, apply an appropriate coating system to finish the paintwork. You have successfully applied Nippon Paint's Spalling Concrete Repair and Preventive Treatment Solution. Nippon Corrosion Resistant Solution, Nippon Concrete Metal Bonding Agent, and Nippon Concrete Permeating Solution. Thanks for watching and safe working. For more information on Nippon Paint's Spalling Concrete Repair and Preventive Solution, visit Nippon Paint's website